People suck, Franny. At least, that's the opinion of Susanna Callahan's boy. I killed 2 people yesterday. Well, at least I hope they're dead. Start from the very beginning. The high school? No. The screaming and the church bell. Yeah. Well, here's what Encyclopedia Brown has been able to guess out. One of the survivors from the high school gang apparently defected to your house, and her gang didn't like that, or something. Young little thing, too. Now, all during the next day, I let it go. I worked on the new garden and started working on a well. Got a book out of, the town on it. Figured, get something done around the old house and then, do a supply run the next day. The next day, I go to the crossroads. Now, I know why you didn't want... I go to the crossroads, and there is Romeo standing outside the gas station, losing his lunch. Yeah, I keep back a few minutes and then see him tearing off back up to your house like demons were chasing after him. The gas station. Yeah. I think I said St. Thomas was hell on earth. The gas station beat that. Blood everywhere. Everything gone. And something that looked like raw meat on the counter. And when I ran up to Mrs. Claiborne to see if she was all right, oh, God, Franny. God! Why? I mean, yeah, she could be a cantankerous old... Nobody deserves what they did to her. Nobody. It took me a moment to figure it out, but if Romeo was puking and running from it, that left only one other group that it could be. The one at the high school. And they looked like they were packing up a big box truck, a couple of cars when I got there. A couple of them. One of them had, damn it, Franny, they were swinging around old Mrs. Claiborne's cane like it was a baton or something. Well, that was enough for me, huh? I didn't get them all. I got 2, though. The ones in the truck. And the one with the cane. I did my best to make it eye for an eye. God help me, I did. But hey, I got the truck. And everything that came with it. Now, I know what you're gonna say, but right now, Franny, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to dream about you right now. Right now, I just want to forget just a little bit. I haven't slept in... So I took a pill. I don't want to hear it. It's almost high-tide. I think I got everything locked down tight. There's a couple of windows I didn't finish putting the grating on, so I still have to use the shutters, but, seriously, if it weren't for Big Steve, I just wouldn't care at the moment.